Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I have my FabFitFun Mystery Bag and some add-ons I bought. So this will be just a little brief video. So how you all doing? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, if you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, hugs and kisses, you know how much I appreciate you. And don't forget, I have my holiday giveaway going on, so the link for that and how to enter will be below. So I ordered, I did the annual subscription. So I was able to order the mystery bags that everybody does, and they do contests with each other and everything. So of course I had nobody to do contests with, so I did it myself. And then I ordered a bunch of add-ons. So they are, they're like half the price or almost like a quarter of the price. They're pretty low. So I ordered the Perricone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. Because I know that it's a good brand and it's a pretty nice size bottle, and so I got one of those. And then I got the Super Eye Serum by Verso. I don't, to be honest, always finish my eye serum, so we get some great eye serums in our boxes, and there's no way you're ever going to finish an eye serum. So sometimes I'll go through like half or 3/4 and I'll start a new eye serum just because I'm not sure if it's going to go bad or not. But this is one that I kind of wanted to try, so I figured for the price I'll buy it. And then I bought it's Perfect Repair treatment mask for your hair. I'm always trying something new for my hair, because the medicine I was taking, it kind of fell out, so I'm kind of growing it back. So I'll do anything to get my hair back. So this is the Perfect Repair brand, and it's for color hair as well. So I thought I would give this a try because it was on sale, but it's a good brand. And then the last thing that I bought, and it's all wrapped up, and I have to say FabFitFun does wrap their packaging very nicely. Just a candle. I couldn't pass it up. I can't remember how much it was, $7, $10. I'm dreaming of a pink Christmas, but I think it was the smell. So that's what it looks like, but it's just a single wick. But I burn a candle in my house every day, so I just wanted to try the smell. Okay, so now, all by my lonesome, I'm gonna do a mystery bag. Now I have watched all these mystery bag videos where they go against each other, and they have gotten some really awesome mystery bags. I'm gonna let you know my mystery bag is so puny. I don't know if I'll ever order another one again. Look at how puny my mystery bag is. I'm like looking in the box to see if anything fell out, if maybe these items were part of my mystery bag, because I think you get 4 items. But this is the puniest mystery bag I have ever seen. This is the number. I know people show their numbers. Look at how small my mystery bag is. Is this how small they come? And let me know if I get another one, if you want to be my challenge partner, because I want to get in on that. So it's like you can't really pull it apart for something to fall out, but it's Just a puny mystery bag. But maybe it's got some gold bricks in there. I don't know. So you all set for the holidays? Did you cook? Did you shop? I know the stores are just ridiculous. So the first thing I got are hair elastic set of 3. I guess they're bow ties. They're really not my style of bow ties. I really hate to open them. I don't know what to say, but they're bow ties. I don't have children that would wear these bow ties. I think they're maybe for like little girls, but yeah, so that's my first one. So I know I wouldn't vote for me for the bow ties. Then the next thing is by Boxy Bay, and it's Beach Please Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. So it must be for your hair if you go in the water. Well, I have a lot of sand by me here in Arizona, not a lot of salt water, but this is good for your summer hair. So we're going on winter here. So again, I don't think I would vote for me if I got this. So I'm a little disappointed in my mystery bag. And then I got, oh, what are these? Oh, they're hair clips. They're, yeah, diamond hair clips. So they must go with the bow ties. So, yeah, I got these. Now remember, I paid $29 for my mystery bag. So not sure if I would ever wear these, but I got these. And the last thing is a set of AirPods. Listen, are they, they've got the thing in there, so they're not the wireless ones. They're, you have to plug it in. Now, I guess these might sell for $29. So, in my mystery bag, I got the AirPods, the sea salt texturing spray, these hair clippies, and these ties. So if I had a partner, I'm thinking my partner would win, because I don't know where they came up with that mystery bag. So would I try it again? Maybe. Now, I do like the candle. It smells really good, so I will probably burn that tomorrow. I do like a good hair mask. And as I said, I probably paid like $5-6 for all these things each. And, you know, the moisturizing cream. I don't get BoxyCharm or Ipsy anymore, so I miss out on getting all those neat little products. And then the eye cream. So let me know what you think of these products. And please let me know, is this normal for a FabFitFun mystery bag or not? So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and happy holidays.